Mabuhay and welcome to the municipality of Canino, Banmaco, Ipabukanco, a place that I am proud to call home. Canino's history begins with Tuan Mabuhay, the legendary chieftain of Panay. It is believed that after bartering his coastal domain to settling lines, he chose Canino's rolling hills and rich rivers as a perfect refuge for his tribe. But Canino isn't just about its history. It is a vast land on which sources cities, even our forests have shelter unique flora and fauna. And one of the majestic wonders that we have is hidden deep in the Mount alone. It is the source of the Halaman River. It is the second largest waterway here in Panay. Its water passes through Ratagan, feeding a region that has long depended on a life-giving river. And Canino's heart beats with cultural pride, especially for our Panay Filipinos. At Garangan Canino, the Balay Tulugan, the central home, school for traditional living tradition, in diverse